and today I am going to show you how to make gremolata. I know, what? Gremolata is a very simple topping meets a sauce that you can use on veggies. You can put it over proteins. You can make a pasta with it. It really is extremely versatile and so easy. The thing I like about it is it's fresh, very clean, simple ingredients. So here's what I'm going to do. It's so crazy easy, and I'm going to actually make a almond gremolata. So what I have here is I have some almonds that are unsalted and I've roasted them. So I'm going to do, and we all know I really don't measure, but I will give you a recipe down below. So I've got about half a cup of roasted unsalted almonds, and then 1 garlic clove. Just pop it in your little, I'm using like a mini food processor, makes my life easy. You can use a high-speed blender. I've got flat leaf Italian parsley, and again, about half a cup, throw it in. Am I measuring? No. Can I do this? Can this go wrong? No. And then I've got the zest of probably the largest lemon known to man. I mean, look at this thing, it's just massive. But I'm gonna put it all in there. I love lemon because it's so clean, so fresh. Love. And then we're gonna do olive oil. When you're using olive oil, make sure you're using a good quality olive oil. I'm impatient, so I'm gonna open this up. And we're gonna do about half a cup. I know, it seems like a lot, but a little goes a long way of this sauce. And then I'm using white wine vinegar. I just want that tang, that balance, right? So I'm just gonna do, I don't know, maybe about a tablespoon, give or take. Again, all of this can be to taste. Then we're gonna add some salt, some sea salt, we'll start with a teaspoon. Again, so if you are seasoning your meat or your veg or whatever you're using this for, make sure that you go light on the salt here. I would recommend, if you're going to put this on veggies, don't over season your veg, because this is going to become your seasoning, right? All right, and then several cracks of fresh black pepper. Delish. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to zip zap, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, we are back, and I have now zip zapped all of the ingredients in the gremolata. One thing that you want to do when you are blending it is you may need to add more liquid, particularly more olive oil, which is fine. Because again, a little of this goes a long way, and adjust the flavors, taste it. If you need a little bit more of the vinegar, salt, pepper, whatever, okay? But look at this, wait, drum roll, right? Look at this. Isn't that delish? So again, you can use this on veggies like asparagus, like broccoli, green beans. You can put it over protein. You can put it over pasta. There are so many different things that you can do with this. This is delightful over fish, like salmon, or like a white fish like halibut or lingcod or something like that. So give this a whirl. Let me know. And again, it's just something different to kind of spice things up, right? Sometimes we just need to mix up our veg and our food and get a little brightness. So anyway, give this a whirl. Let me know what you think. The recipe's down below. And while you're down there, make sure you comment. Let me know what you think of the recipe and what more videos you would like to see. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I would love to make sure that you're getting all the videos. They are all coming up. And if you want to know what's happening, other things that are happening in the world of Vibrant Life Source, make sure to check out my my Instagram and my Facebook, and those links are at the end of the video. All right, everyone, have a fabulous day, and I'll see you later.